Hello and good morning everyone. This is your Anjali ma'am. So today I am here and today we have to complete chapter number 14, adverbs. So today I am going to start book work of chapter number 14, adverbs. Now let's continue the chapter. First is underline the how. Underline the how adverbs in these places. As my previous class, we had learned about adverbs, definition of adverbs, types of adverbs. So this is adverb of manner. Underline the how adverbs in these sentences. First is the joker walked clumsily. The joker walked clumsily. So clumsily is adverb of manner. The boys sang merrily. The boys sang merrily. So, merrily. The athlete ran fast. The athlete ran but fast. So, fast is adverb. Next is they were talking loudly in the class. They were talking loudly in the class. They were talking but loudly. So, it is adverb. The children ran excitedly. The children ran excitedly. So, excitedly is a adverb. Vibha read well. Vibha read well. So, well is an adverb. I drive carefully. I drive but carefully. Nitin clapped happily. Nitin clapped but happily. So happily is an adverb. Now next is underline the where adverbs in these sentences. Underline the where adverbs in these sentences. Where, it means adverb of place. Where, it means adverb of place. First is he went out to play. He went out to play. He went out to play. So he went where? Out. He went out to play. So out is an adverb of place. We travelled far to look for him. We travelled far to look for him. We travelled but far. So far is an adverb of place. I looked for him everywhere. I looked for him everywhere. I looked for him everywhere. So everywhere shows where the action is done. Everywhere it shows where the action is done. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So, above is an adverb of place. Where the aeroplane is flying the clouds? The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Next is the girl is inside the room. The girl is inside the room. So inside shows the girl. Where is the girl? The girl is inside the room. Girl कहाँ पर है? Room के अंदर है. So this is an adverb of place. Next is the puppy stays here. The puppy stays here. So where does the puppy stay? The puppy stays here. So here is an adverb of place. The boy looked up. The boy looked up. So up is an adverb of place. Next is Tina is waiting upstairs. Tina is waiting upstairs. So upstairs shows where Tina is waiting. Nidhi is standing there. Nidhi is standing there. So there is an adverb of place. Sanchit is playing outside. Sanchit is playing outside. So outside is an adverb of place. Now here are out, far, everywhere, above, inside, here, up, upstairs, there, and outside. These all are example of adverb of place. Now next is clumsily, merrily, fast, loudly, excitedly, well, carefully, and happily. These all are describes the action word. So now what you have to do now? Now you have to complete this work in your book. Only in your book, not in your notebook. Okay? Because this is book work ना, तो आपको इसे अपनी सिर्फ नोटबुक में कंप्लीट करना है, नोटबुक में नहीं करना है. And rest of the chapter we will complete in next class. So till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.